American Standard has been manufacturing toilets in North America for over 140 years, and the current lineup covers everything from budget-friendly two-piece models to self-cleaning systems with built-in bowl fresheners. In this video, we cover 5 of the best American Standard toilets currently available on Amazon. 1. American Standard Champion 4. The Champion 4 is American Standard's most recognized residential toilet, and its flushing system is built around the largest flush valve opening available in any residential toilet sold in the United States. The 4-inch accelerator flush valve opens wider and faster than the conventional 2-inch or 3-inch valves found in most residential toilets. That wider opening releases a larger volume of water into the bowl in a shorter period of time, generating stronger hydraulic force through the trapway at the moment of flush. The 3-inch trapway, also wider than the conventional 2-inch, allows that force to move waste through the drain without restriction. American Standard rates the system capable of moving waste 70% larger than what a standard 2-inch trapway toilet handles. The bowl interior and exterior carry the EverClean antimicrobial surface treatment, which inhibits the growth of mold, mildew, and odor-causing bacteria on the porcelain. The one-piece design eliminates the gap between tank and bowl found on two-piece toilets, removing one surface that would otherwise collect moisture and require cleaning. Bowl height is 16.5 inches to the rim, ADA compliant, and the soft close seat and wax ring are included in the box. The mechanical components carry a 10-year warranty, which is among the longest offered on any residential toilet currently on the market. This is the right choice for households with a history of clogging problems, or any homeowner who wants the widest available flush valve and trapway in a proven one-piece design. 2. American Standard Heritage VorMax. The Heritage VorMax is American Standard's most advanced flushing system in a traditionally styled two-piece package, and it addresses the part of toilet cleaning that most standard flush designs leave incomplete, the upper portion of the bowl interior. The VorMax system uses dual injection flush valves rather than the single entry rim holes found on conventional designs. Those dual valves direct twice the volume of jetted water to the rim on each flush, by generating a spiraling water action that scrubs the full bowl surface from the waterline down to the trapway entry. In a standard rim flush toilet, water enters through small holes in the rim and flows primarily down the bowl sides, leaving the upper rim area less thoroughly rinsed. The VorMax's dual injection approach extends that rinsing coverage to the full interior height of the bowl. The clean curve rim design removes the hidden inner crevice found on conventional toilet rims, the curved underside of the rim where mineral deposits and bacteria accumulate between cleanings. Without that crevice, the entire rim surface is accessible for wiping. The EverClean antimicrobial glaze covers both the bowl interior and the fully glazed 2 1/16" trapway. The flush rating is 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. The slow close seat, while a metal trip lever and easy install wax kit are all included. The Chinaware carries a lifetime warranty, and the mechanical parts carry a 10-year warranty. This is the right pick for homeowners who want American Standard's strongest bowl cleaning flushing system with the longest available warranty coverage. 3. American Standard H2 option. The H2 option delivers the most water-efficient flushing in the American Standard lineup at this price point, and it arrives as the most complete out-of-box package of any toilet on this list. Soft close seat, wax ring, and floor bolts all included. The dual flush system operates at 0.92 gallons per flush for liquid waste and 1.28 gallons for solid waste. The 0.92 gallons per flush partial flush is the lowest figure available across all 5 toilets on this list, well below the EPA WaterSense standard of 1.28 gallons per flush. For a household flushing liquid waste 4 to 6 times per day, the difference between 0.92 gallons per flush and 1.28 gallons per flush adds up to hundreds of gallons saved monthly across the household. The 3-inch flush valve works with a power wash rim to direct water around the full circumference of the bowl on every flush, supplementing the main siphonic flushing action with a rim rinse that reduces residue left on the bowl surface. The MAPI performance score reaches 1,000 grams, the maximum independent rating, confirming reliable single flush clearance on full flushes despite the lower water volume. The EverClean antimicrobial surface inhibits bacteria, mold, and mildew growth on the bowl interior. Bowl height is 16.5 inches to the rim, ADA compliant. The limited lifetime warranty covers the Chinaware, and 1 year covers the included seat. As this is the right pick for water-conscious homeowners who want a complete installation package and the lowest partial flush volume in the American Standard lineup. 4. American Standard Cadet 3 FloWise. The Cadet 3 FloWise is American Standard's most versatile, everyday toilet, and it stands out on this list for one specific reason. It is available in a 10-inch rough-in configuration, which most toilets on the market do not offer. The rough-in measurement is the distance from the finished wall behind the toilet to the center of the drain hole in the floor. The North American standard is 12 inches, and virtually every residential toilet is built to that specification. Older homes, particularly those built before the mid-20th century, sometimes have 10-inch or 14-inch rough-in measurements. As replacing a toilet in those homes with a standard 12-inch unit requires either shimming the toilet away from the wall or undertaking drain relocation work. The Cadet 3's 10-inch option installs directly without modification. The 3-inch flush valve opens 125% wider than a conventional 2-inch valve, delivering more water into the bowl faster at the point of flush. The fully glazed 2 1/8-inch trapway reduces friction inside the drain passage, and the power wash rim directs water around the full rim circumference on every flush. The EverClean antimicrobial surface covers the bowl interior. The flush rating is 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. Bowl height meets ADA right height standards, one of the most reviewed American Standard toilets on Amazon across all categories. As this is the right pick for homeowners in older properties with a non-standard rough-in measurement, or anyone replacing a Cadet Series toilet already installed in their home. 5. American Standard VorMax Plus. The VorMax Plus adds one feature to the VorMax flushing system that no other toilet on this list includes: a built-in Lysol fresh infuser dispenser that releases cleaning solution into the flush water automatically on every flush. The fresh infuser is a concealed compartment built into the back of the toilet seat. Each refill cartridge lasts up to 30 days of regular use, delivering a measured dose of Lysol bowl cleaner into the flush water with every flush during that period. And the result is continuous bowl freshening between manual cleaning sessions without requiring the user to apply cleaner manually before each clean or remember to buy separate in-tank tablets that can damage rubber components over time. The fresh infuser functions independently of the flushing mechanism, which means it does not affect the flush valve, fill valve, or any other mechanical component. 2 fresh infuser refill packs are included in the box. The VorMax dual injection flushing system, Clean Curve rim, and EverClean antimicrobial surface are all present. The same features reviewed in the Heritage VorMax above. The flush rating is 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. Bowl height is 17 inches to the seat, ADA compliant. The Chinaware carries a lifetime warranty, and the mechanical components carry a 10-year warranty. This is the right pick for busy households where reducing the frequency and effort of manual toilet cleaning is a practical priority.